Welcome to part 2 of Clash of Engines series. In part 2 we will do some level designing. Start by adding a folder structure to the outliner. We will be adding two main folders, our background and ground groups. Inside the ground groups we will add a subfolder which will hold the ground sprite. When we group the ground we will have a ground group actor, so we will place it in the ground groups. We'll use the ground at the center point, and we start from location 0, 0, 0. Then we will add the background. And we can see that the background need to be in the back. So we will do that by adjusting the render settings. You go down in the details, you will find rendering, and then you will find an arrow like that to show advanced properties. Then go down to the translucency, sort priorities. We will change this for the background to -10. You can think of this property as actors that have higher number will be rendered first. We can see that already fixed our problem. However, we cannot click the ground even though that we can see it. Let's change this to -9 since we will be adding another background. Now to fix the problem of selecting the ground, we will also change the Y location to -9. You can write a code to connect those two, but in this small project we are not going to do so. We will adjust the location of the background to 187, match up with the ground, and we will increase the scale to 25. That will be more than enough for the level that we want to build. Change the name of this to background and place it in the background folder. We will duplicate it by simply holding Alt and changing its position. That will create another copy. Or you can just duplicate it from edit or Control W. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna extend the sky. So scaling it in the Y will scaling it in the Z will distort the image. We want it to show after the background. So we will decrease its value. So now it will show in So background for the upper part, and for the last one it will be background down. Should also render it in the back. For this we will want it to match the ground color. When the player fall, he will see this. So first we will flip it in the Z by scaling it. And then we will change its color to a very dark one to match the ground. I think even darker. We will add the ground edge. And so the value for the application should be 534 for the X. And for the Y 0. And for the Z it's -5. Should copy this again. Scale it on the X. And now we will have that Iceland. Simply move it to the ground and then group it. And you can see that we have a group actor. Then we will move it in the we're gonna create another group ground. We'll duplicate this one. Now this group is double the size of the first one, and duplicate this one. Duplicate this again. This is more than enough for the first level. Just move all the actors to the ground groups. Okay, and this is the basics level design.
This is the end of this part. If you find the tutorial useful, subscribe, like and share. If you dislike it or face any problem, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part.